Hey, and welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas on Wide World of Wendy. Today we are tackling a big task. The big task. Yep, that's the one. Gravy. The one that strikes fear into every home cook. You know, my mom made it look so simple, and I'm over here sweating. But don't worry, I'm going to show you the tips and tricks, and we're going to make foolproof gravy. All right, let's do it. The secret to good gravy is the flavor. You got to start with the golden butteriness drippings that came off. If you got a little bit of fat, don't feel afraid. Go ahead and skim some of that off, but you do want that nice golden flavor. Right, so you've got your drippings in the pan. The next step is you want to put that burner on medium, low. You want it warm, you don't want it scorched. And then the next piece of the magic comes from the cornstarch. Now we're actually going to thicken it up. Now we're going to thicken it up. This is where we panic. You see, I'm panicking already. Just even saying we're going to thicken it up puts a little panic in the heart. But let's not do that. We got this. We're good. We're good. If you follow the instructions on the back of the package, it tells you you need a 1/4 cup of the water, cold water, or you can use, I like to use a 1/4 cup of the drippings, and I just let it cool down on the counter. So it's not warm, it's room temperature. And then 2 tablespoons of the cornstarch. That's it. 2 tablespoons of the cornstarch, a 1/4 cup of either cool water or the drippings that have been allowed to reach room temperature. Okay, then all we're going to do is add that together. So here we go. All right, we've added 2 tablespoons of the cornstarch into a 1/4 cup of either cool water or room temperature drippings. And then we're just going to stir that up. And this is the part where you go, am I doing this right? Should I call mom? Is it time to call mom? Hey, mom, how do we make your gravy again? Don't worry, guys. This time it's on us. We got this. All right, we've stirred this well, and we're ready to move on to the next step. Okay, so we've got 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in here and 1/4 cup of either room temperature drippings or cool water. And I've just stirred it all together until it is absolutely smooth. And now it's time to drizzle. And we're going to drizzle like our hearts depend on it. We're not going to answer the phone. We're not going to blink. We're not going to do anything but drizzle. Ready? This is the slowest, drippingest drizzle. And you keep the whisk moving constantly. And again, this is a metal pan, so I'm using a plastic whisk, silicone whisk. We're going to whisk like our holiday sanity depends on it. Whisk and drizzle. Whisk and drizzle. Here's the trick. It's not going to thicken right away. It's going to take a minute or two of us constantly moving this. It's going to come up to a bubble because we've got the settings medium, high. So we're waiting for the bubbles to come back. As you get the good bubble coming through, the sauce is going to start thickening. So stay patient. Don't panic. Or I should say, don't panic. And wait for the cornstarch to do its magic. Now, if you've done this for 4 or 5 minutes and you're still not feeling any thickening, you could get another 1/4 cup of water and some cornstarch and try again. adding just a little bit at a time, not the whole piece, but just little drips at a time. But in all honesty, if you just stay patient and wait for the bubbles to come, it'll happen. I have turned the heat up just a little bit, waiting for that bubble, but I can definitely tell, I think you can see, it is starting to thicken up. Let me see if I can find a good spoon where you can actually see it. That is starting to thicken up. I can hear the liquid starting to want to bubble. So that tells us that we are almost there. As it's thickening, now is the time to taste it. Now is the time. I'm just going to dip my fork in there, because now you want to know, do you need salt? Do you need pepper? This is another part where you always miss your mom, right? Like, Ma, come taste this. See if it's good. That is salty enough, but I am going to add some pepper. Perfect. This is when I turn the heat off. Turn it down to low. You're good to go. This is ready. Let me just stir in that pepper. And we'll show you. We made gravy. Foolproof. Thanks for hanging out in the kitchen with me today. We are halfway through our Vlogmas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back tomorrow for even more Vlogmas comfort, laughter, and maybe butter. Have a good one. See you tomorrow.